Mo from Cycle Garden. We're doing a little review. This is a bike we built for Ewan in 2010. Did a full restoration on it. Got it from Ed. It was pretty battered. We did a lot of work to it. It's got a big bore kit, 88 millimeters, so it's a 950cc. And let me get off this thing and get on the side stand here. Make sure she's good. All right, come on up, Lindsay. So we did, I've never really done a nice video on this thing because it's been before all that. So Ewan's had this bike for what, 12 years now. So we just kind of got it back a few months ago. He had it in a commercial production, and then the production company, they had some meathead. Let me get these lights off. They had some meathead stunt guy, rev the shit out of it and basically put about 20,000 miles worth of mileage on it in one afternoon. So we took apart the motor and redid the crankshaft and the cylinders and all that. So it's back up and running good. He's going to pick it up today. And I just kind of wanted to go over this because the paint job was a big deal for us. We did, it's hard to tell because it's in the shade right now, but this is a silver base with a burgundy candy over, so it's kind of a see-through candy over the top of that. So it just has kind of a translucence. How they did it originally from Moto Guzzi, it's just obviously this paint is a lot glossier. This is 73 model, US import. Still has, show them the dash there. So it's a US import. It's got miles per hour on it. We still got the little stickers on here. That's still staying on. So it's just a really, I don't know, I like it. I always like this bike's just a beautiful, just the V7Sport I think is just one of the most beautiful bikes made. So anyways, we thought we'd do a little video for you guys and check it out. And yeah, there we go. Needs to get some nice close-up shots there. There you go. It was, yeah, so we cleaned up the motor and stuff for him. So obviously the internals are all done. We redid the seals. It's been about 12 years, so we did the seals in the transmission also, along with the motor. So just kind of went through it and made it nice for him again so he can start riding it. All right, here we go. Let's take off on it. See how she sounds. If you guys need any other bikes or parts, give us a call. 760-972-4800 and Mo, M-O-E, at cyclegarden.com. Thank you very much for checking out the video. And we'll wait for this car to go by here and then we'll take off here. There you go. All right, thank you guys very much.